Welcome to the Renogy Customer Service tutorial. This video will show you how to submit a case through our online portal. Simply go to the Renogy.com homepage. Click the Customer Service icon in the top right bar. Then, click Submit a Case. Now we are at the case submission page. First, fill out any necessary contact information. Second, select the type of your inquiry. Depending on your inquiry, there may be a secondary set of questions to further specify the details of your case. Note that if your inquiry is order-related, you will need to provide your order number and specific item code listed as SKU. Filling in the correct SKU will be super helpful for our specialists to identify products. If you made a purchase through Amazon, the SKU is located within the product information. To tell us about your experience with our products, you may choose to fill in the subject, description, and application scenario options provided. When you face specific technical issues, uploading files, pictures, even screenshots of your DC Home app will be extremely helpful, so our technical team can deal with your case more efficiently. Don't forget to hit the Submit button before you exit the page. Our customer service team will contact you via email within 1 business day, so don't forget to check your email. That's it.